anyone who relied on Notion Mail for handling their emails and stuff, they better find a suitable alternative as soon as they can, because it's almost time to say goodbye. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Notion announced that it'll shut down its email client later this year. The company said Notion Mail will wind down across web, mobile, and desktop platforms on September 22nd. It's published an FAQ for users to make sure that they don't lose any messages or data in the transition. Most emails will still exist in a Gmail inbox, but customers will need to manually export their drafts, scheduled emails, snippets, and auto-label instructions. But the company isn't giving up on email entirely. The company said in an X post about the change in strategy, stating, "As Notion agents have gotten more capable, we've seen more users hand off email workflows to them today. More than half of Notion Mail users manage emails without ever opening their inbox, but we're going all in on using agents to run your inbox." Right now, Notion offers a solid collection of productivity tools. These tools began rolling out after Notion Mail acquired startup Skiff in 2024. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.